Environments play a major role in setting the mood and tone of a story. By creating captivating scenes and backgrounds, we can communicate so much atmosphere and invite the viewer into our own little worlds, establishing a rich and immersive storytelling experience. Hi, I'm Sarah Holliday and I'm an illustrator from Scotland. I find environments so much fun to draw as they allow you to explore your own imagination and create a scene that you can totally immerse yourself in. Illustrating environments can provide quite a technical challenge, as there are a lot of aspects we have to consider at once, such as composition, perspective, colour and lighting, not to mention coming up with creative ideas and conveying mood and story. But don't worry, because in this class I'm going to break all these aspects down into easy to follow lessons and exercises so that when it comes to drawing our scenes you can spend less time worrying about these challenges and more time conveying atmosphere and imagination. In this class we'll explore how we can achieve a sense of depth and perspective in our scenes, how to accentuate a focal point in the composition, stylizing our elements using shape language, and I'll show you some handy tips on bringing your scene to life with lighting and atmospheric effects. I'll then walk you through my entire process for illustrating a scene from start to finish, so that by the end of this class you'll be fully equipped to create your own striking landscape. So whether you're still a beginner who enjoys drawing individual objects or characters but have never composed a scene before, or you're an experienced illustrator just looking to improve your skills in this area, this class is packed full of tips and tricks that will be useful to all levels. I'll be using my iPad Pro with Procreate in my demonstrations, but feel free to follow along with your preferred drawing tools. So if you're ready to make some gorgeous scenes, I'll see you in the class.